Islamiyat for primary classes, second edition, for grade 2, Mosque, Unit 8. Mosques around the world. Exercise 2. Use these words to fill in the blanks. Saf, member, muazzin, prayer, khutbah, jamaat, sajda. A mosque is a place where Muslims pray. In Arabic, masjid means a place to do sajda. A dash is a person who call out the azan, muazzin. A dash is a sermon, khutbah. The khutbah is given from the minbar. The row of namazis is called a saf. A group of namazis is called a jamaat.